White Plains Honda, the area's leader in new and certified pre-owned Honda sales and service, knows that there's more to being a great dealership than just location, location, location. It's about trust. Something that may interest you is the way our sales team is compensated. At White Plains Honda, we're based on customer satisfaction rather than on how much profit we generate. We take the pressure off the sales department and you, so we can concentrate on fulfilling your needs rather than the price of the car. Learn more about White Plains Honda at www.whiteplainshonda.com. While you're there, design and customize your next vehicle. Find out about our internet specials. Shop our virtual dealership 24/7 and see what makes us different than your average dealership. White Plains Honda is located at 344 Central Avenue in White Plains, New York.